all doing, gorgeous people? I'm going to start with an apology because this is the first time I've ever gigged in shorts. And this is my tan after 3 weeks of a heatwave. So I apologise if you get dazzled by my legs tonight. So I'm a gay mum. I don't know if we've got any gay mums in. No? Pride Month? Can we get a cheer for being a gay mum? Thank you. Now, I love being a gay mum because I love the questions that people ask me when they find out I'm gay. But my favourite one is, which one's the dad? I'm like, oh, that is such a novel question. Which one's the dad? But yeah, it's me. I am the dad. Now, I don't want to stereotype dads when I say this, but I am guilty of a lot of very dad-type behaviour. I was never allowed to dress the kids when they were younger, and yes, maybe the Care Bear shirt might explain that. But basically, I would just grab whatever was to hand, but my wife did draw the line when I took the kids out in pyjama bottoms, bean-stained jumpers, and the socks you get free from the trampoline park. I thought it was fine for our wedding.